In this video, I'll show you how to create cards in your YouTube videos, which essentially get your viewers to click on another video. If you don't already know how to get to Creator Studio, what you need to do is click your profile photo in the top right corner of the screen, then click Creator Studio or something that says Studio. I'm already in it, so it doesn't give me that option. But what you'll do here is click there and then click something that says Studio. Now what we want to do is choose a video that needs a card. In the left-hand column, click Videos. From here, you can choose a video you'd like to add a card to. We're going to choose YouTube hashtags. Now what we're going to do is if we scroll down just a little bit, you can see here it says cards and it has a little arrow pointing out, which means that since we are in the studio beta right now, it's not a feature they have that you can use within the beta. You have to move to the classic editor for now. Click cards. From here, it'll start playing your video so you can figure out where to add your video. What I do is if I mention a video, so in one of my videos I mention if you don't know how to upload your video to YouTube, click the video you see in the card in the top right corner of your screen, or click the link in the description box. So I add that video in two places. So we're going to pause and say I said something cool here about Pinterest. So we're going to click add a card. And from here I have the option to add a video or a playlist, a channel, or a poll. I do not have enough subscribers or views, so I cannot do links at the moment, but we'll get there soon. For now, we will click video or playlist. So create. So we said something about Pinterest, so let's go to this 30 Days of Pinterest series. And here I can customize the teaser text and or message. I'm going to leave this as the default settings for now, and on the next one we add, we'll customize. Click create card. So now, when we play, my volume's muted. To see in the top right corner, it popped up. Let's do that one more time because it happened a little quickly. There we go, and it says suggested 30 days of Pinterest, which is perfect. If you mention something, definitely go ahead and put a card in there so it's something physical that pops up so that your viewer knows, I should probably click that. Next, we're just going to add a video. Just a regular video, not in a playlist. Here's one of the last ones I've done called clickable links, where I teach you how to create a link in the description of your video that's clickable. Okay, let's see what this one looks like. Make link clickable, YouTube for beginners. So do you see how that's super long? Let's click this little edit card here, customize text, and say, hello, lovely. Let's do this. Now let's go back to our card and play it again to see what pops up. Let's do this. I actually kind of like it. And now when I click on the card here, this is what will show up in the side. So this one we didn't change anything, we left the defaults. It's a playlist, 30 Days of Pinterest by Grow with Lady. There's 31 videos in it. Here, the clickable links. Above the title, it says Hello Lovely, which is actually kind of cool. So there's that. Now, if we want to get rid of them, we can click Edit Card in this little trash can at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is delete both of those. You can put up to 5 cards, but for the ease of just making things visually easy for me to teach you, I'm going to delete them for now. We're going to click Add Card and Poll. So what a poll is, I can ask a question to my viewers. So as you can see, you have the options here. It gives you 2 options, but let's add another choice and put strawberry. Let's add another choice and put fireweed. Fireweed is a wildflower in Alaska, and it makes the best ice cream ever. So if this was my question and I wanted to change the teaser text, I would click here and say, vote for your flavor. Click create card. Now you get something super interactive. Let's get a little bit closer here. Vote for your flavor. How cool is that? Click on it, and now they have the option of clicking, and look, 100% people, 100% of people chose vanilla, because I'm the only one who's voted so far. But you do get the option to change your answer if you didn't like the one or you accidentally clicked the wrong one. So those are cards. These two things here are because I have TubeBuddy installed. I can do another tutorial on TubeBuddy if you'd like. And if you would like that, make sure to click the card in the top right corner of this video and select yes so that I know that you'd like to have a tutorial on TubeBuddy. Or just go ahead and drop a comment in the comment box below, and I will definitely do that for you. I can say promote another channel. Click create and the channel username or URL. So what I'm going to do is just take the link from my travel channel and go ahead and pop it right in here. So what I put is follow my travels and ready for an adventure. We'll see what it looks like when it shows up. Click create a card or just create card. Now it's at the very beginning, so definitely check out this top right corner again. Let's see what it says. Ready for an adventure? You click on it and you can see the channel, follow my travels, travel with Lady. Click on it and you get taken to my travel channel. Like and subscribe, and if you want to know what all the fuss is about, definitely go to ladymora.com/biz. You will not regret it.